Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you guys the best budget microphone in 2021, which is the Fantech Leviosa MCX01. Just comes the microphone, it looks pretty solid and premium actually, and it also comes with some accessories as well. First off, which is the tripod stand that we have right here, and we have a 2.5 meters USB cable as well, and the most important, a pop filter. Lastly, it comes with a warranty card with a user manual. Anyway, let's take a look at the specifications for this microphone. Actually, this is a condenser microphone which comes with a cardioid pattern, and it also comes with a beacon design for the top of this mic. Talking about buttons, it actually comes with 3 buttons, which is the first one will be the mute button, and 2 solid steel made button, which is the echo and the gain button as well, right below the mute buttons. And the most important, it actually comes with 5 different RGB lights. I'm sorry about that because it's not a full RGB. And talking about the price, it actually just costs $35 US, which is kind of cheap and budget I can say. So this is the Leviosa MCX01. It's actually the first generation microphone from Fantech that's purposely made for streamer, and the bass of this microphone should probably be my favorite because it really makes my voice condense a lot, and at the same time it tunes up the bass as well for my voice, which is kind of fantastic. The best part of this microphone will probably be having a very reasonable and budget price, which it only costs about $35 US, which is kind of totally suits up for the content creator that just started to join YouTube. I hope you guys liked my video. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe and like before you leave this video. I'll see you next time and see you in the next video.